never a dull moment up here. Just never a dull moment. Hey. Oh man, the Chevy. Oh, that thing's tatered. Never a dull moment. Never. All right, YouTubes. Got a call for an ice maker that's leaking water. And they're concerned that it's on top of a soda fountain, and they're concerned that it's messing up the countertop and stuff that it sits on. I got a feeling the thing's gonna be super crusty and cacked up, and that's why it's leaking water. Probably because it's super duper crusty. Let's get out here and take a look. Let's see. I think we'll go grab Tippins and some gloves. Glubby, glubby. That'll get us started. Look at that messy van. I gotta clean this van out. Holy moly, how can you work out of that? Seriously. Come on, NorCal Dave, get your S together, brother. No bin adapter when they put the new style Coke machine in. Huge mistake. You need a bin adapter when you do these. All kinds of water down here. I gotta find out where it's all coming from. So I gotta find out where all this water's coming from. And I'm sure the machine's plugged out. I think I see where the water's dripping from. Right at the top. There it is. Right up there. See on scale? See the water dripping on it? Right up there. It's getting ready to drip right now. There it goes. Let me take a look at this. If I can find the shut off. Where is that one? See, that water goes in, comes up, tees off. Oh yeah, we can get it right here. That should turn it off right there, coming into that filter. Scuzz. What's that? Tasty.